If you're struggling to make good guitar melodies for your beats, this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm gonna show you how to create realistic guitar melodies in FL Studio 25. I'm gonna show you how to find the chord progression, create catchy counter melodies, and what effect to use. Let's have some fun. Let's set our tempo at maybe 97, and we have this preset loaded from Evolution Hello Boys Blue. And let's try to find the chord progression first. Okay, that's our corporation, and now we're going to create the guitar rhythm with it. Let's go. Maybe I'll Q, we quantize a little bit, and then comment L, and then go to cell maybe. Okay, we can do the same thing like over and over, comment B. Sorry. Maybe this one is right there, and then we take this one. Okay. And now we are adding the guitar rig 7. I think I find this preset from one of the other Afrobeat content creator. This one called Retro Gravity. I think it can be Ken Z or Vegbeat. I cannot remember which one, but it's one of them. And this preset is crazy. And then okay, now I am going to add maybe the SC20, and I remember use another guitar preset in this one I think. And one thing I wanna add to it is like adding the sound shifter from Wave. This is going to make it sound so realistic. So let's transpose maybe 2 semitone lower. That's what to make the difference, guys. When you have this, it's totally different. Okay, now we are going to clone it, and one thing to keep in mind is like we create the melody and then we transpose it to semitone lower. Everything that we are going to create, we have to make sure that we transpose them to semitone lower. So I think I might change the preset on this one so I can have something else. Let's go to clean. Maybe we use the jazz chorus. Let's try to find a catchy melody. Da, da, da. I want it to be different. Okay, I think it's better now. Da, da, da. Maybe we can pen this one to the right and then we create another one and then we pan it to the left so we can have 3 guitar playing at the same time. So is that a chord response? That sounds crazy. I love it. I love it. I love it, guys. And then now we have this as our guitar. Guys, I love the vibe we have now. The guitar melody sound crazy, and now we want to add some drum. I'm gonna use drum from the 100k Afro groove, and let's find a kick first. I think this kick is good. Finish faster. Maybe let's go to let's go to the Konpa. I think I have something in Konpa I can use. Maybe. Go. Okay, on this one we can start here and then go. Okay, that's it. This is a little bit too loud. Okay, we add the gold particle. Guys, I'm going with the vibe, you know. Okay, and those one we are going to just duplicate them till we arrive at 5 bars, and we're good to go. We can just copy this one and then we pass it here. Sorry. And then let's just this one. Okay, I think on the guitar we can blend this right there. Okay, the next thing is going to be maybe adding some conga. Maybe this one. Okay, that's good. Woo! I already feel that we don't need any other instrument. The beats sound so nice. It is vibey. I love those kind of beats. Guys, I want to add another component on the guitar. Let's use the rotator. This one right there. Okay. Woo! Okay, now we add some bass. I might use maybe a bass from Fire. Let's use this groove and bass right there. Chord itself, we make sure we adjust it. This right there, and then we're all good to go. We are going to create a pretty simple bass pattern. Sorry. Comment dire. And now one thing I can do, I can transpose 1 2. Sorry. I can transpose like 1 2 semitone, and then we get it back here. We will move it from our track, and then now we have it. Sounds better. Basically, we're gonna try to find an E piano and then a part so we can put underneath for everything, and then it's gonna sound crazy. And we can also say that the instrumental is done. We're gonna add some vocal chops and sax, and that is gonna be for another day. I love what I created so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that on camera and then play the final vibe for y'all. So enjoy.